What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Chris from NIA Body Kits, and today Danielle will be installing our new NIA rear spats on this Lexus GSF. So first, I want to tell you a little bit about the new NIA rears. All our kits are made right here in the United States in our Miami factory. We make them out of quality ABS plastic, making them strong and durable for a long-lasting kit. Unlike urethane, ABS holds its own weight and won't warp over time. We offer them in many finishes like raw black, which means it comes straight out of the machine. It might have some scratches, but they're ready for wraps or for the DIYers that know how to paint. We also offer them in primer, which is prepped and sprayed with a 2K primer and it's ready for paint. We offer them painted, which you can get color matched to the color of your vehicle, or you can get a contrast color like gloss black, satin black, matte black, or now an F gray, which is similar to the color of your front grille. Lastly, you can get it hydro dipped, which is the method we use to apply a carbon fiber printed design to our kits and spray with a heavy layer of clear coat. All our kits are designed specifically for each model. We do not copy and paste the same design onto all our vehicles. We design all our kits to use the factory bolts. We pre-drill the holes and include all the hardware for an easy installation. And lastly, all our front splitters are reinforced on the bottom, making them strong enough to withstand your common road rash, parking blocks, and daily road encounters. With the purchase of the NIA rears, you'll receive 2 clips and an alcohol wipe. For this installation, you'll need a clip remover and a 10mm socket. When doing this installation, always think safety first. If your car is lowered and you're going to jack it up, make sure to use jack stands for safety. First, you want to wipe down the bottom of the car, making sure to get rid of any rocks or debris stuck underneath. First, you're going to grab the alcohol wipe we provided to you and clean the edge of the bumper where the rear spat will go. Use the 10mm socket and remove the factory bolt on the bottom of the car. Then you will use the clip remover and remove the clip on the back of the bumper. Now you're going to lift up the corners on the 3M tape backing so it's easier to pull off. Now that the bolt and the clip are removed, you're going to get the factory bolt and put it through the pre-drilled hole to mount up the rear spat. Now that the bolt is on, this is when you get the clip that we provided to you and you present it through the pre-drilled hole on the back of the spat and clip it in. Once the clip is in, go back to the factory bolt and tighten it. Bolt and the clip are on tight, remove the 3M tape backing and press the spat onto the bumper. Once the spat is installed, you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many more products that we have for the Lexus GSF. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Thanks again.